So storyboard is the way to go when you want to do videos that have transitions in them. So in this particular example, I'm going to show you the grocery vlog haul type video. So you're going to want to go to your GPT of choice. I chose ChatGPT for this. You're going to select create image, and then you're going to paste the following prompt here. So I asked it to create a 10-frame storyboard collage of my AI doing a grocery shopping vlog. You can read through it here yourself, and the prompts will be posted for you to copy and paste as well. So I told it to do all of this, and then it gave me this. I didn't like the style of how that was. Her looking at the camera with the product, like it's too much, too fake. So I told it to redo the frames. Instead of 10, make it 12. And then now I went into more detail, which you can probably try to start off like this way from the get-go. But I told it to redo it, told it exactly what frames I wanted the influencer doing what. The products, I went into detail about the products that I wanted her to do a POV of. And as you can see here, I said frames that are picking items should be in POV angles, not her looking at the camera with the items. And then it gave me this, which was perfect. So then I told it, perfect, now give me a C dance prompt. Sorry, y'all. Give me a C dance prompt, make it 15 seconds. Now later I changed this. So later I changed it to 14 seconds simply because C dance or Open AI, Open Art AI, one of them don't go up to 15 seconds. So got it to 14 seconds, I believe, and it gave me this prompt here. So it gave me the prompt I needed. So then I went to Open Art and clicked on video. And then when you first click on it, it's going to put you on this start end frame. You're just going to want to click here, text with reference. And then make sure the model is the C Dance 2.0, or it can be whatever you want. But I did this with C Dance. And then I pasted in that prompt that chat gave. So you also want to upload your visual references. So you always want to put your base model in it, the storyboard that chat gave you. And then I had to go to the grocery store website to find these branded grocery items. And within the prompt, I went ahead and attached the elements. So from this 12 frame storyboard, paste it, image 3. Maintaining the exact same female influencer, paste it, image 2. And then you see all of these images here with the spinach. So grabbing a bag of chopped frozen spinach, image 4. Grabbing some orange juice, image 5. Yogurt, chicken, beef. Everything else I left blank. I did add in, as you saw in the other one, I added in that Toyota, the vehicle. But here I didn't add it in, but it still got it right because I'm going to show y'all the video. So from there, you're going to want to make sure audio is off, mode is normal, output is 916, 720p quality in 14 seconds. Yeah, see the 14 seconds here. And then you're going to generate. As you can see, yes, it cost me a lot, y'all. I started off with 12,000 yesterday, June 24th. You see where my balance is right now. So this is the video that it created. And remember, I didn't do no sound. And I'll show you the finale in a minute. You see how that glitch is there? We're going to fix that. And the glitch is right here. We're going to fix that. So that's how the video came out. This is the type of prompt style that you're going to do for any video, honestly, because it's way easier than making individual images and then trying to compile them, turn them into videos individually, and then take it to your video editor and try to paste it all together. It's just so much easier to do a storyboard, tell it what you want to do in each frame, and then it creates the video right there. So the finale video, let me go to, where did I post it? I posted it on my TikTok. And let me see. Did I download it on here? Trying to see what's the easiest way. Let me just show y'all on TikTok because I posted it on my TikTok. I don't know why it always takes me to the same search. I need to delete my cache. All right, so the video right here. Here is the finale. Okay, so that's the finale. Y'all saw how I edited out that glitch when the food was on the conveyor belt? And then when she tried to return back to her trunk, yeah, I edited it out too. And now the video looks great. It would have been perfect if chat didn't misspell. If AI didn't misspell the words on the grocery items, like it would have been like literally perfect. But AI, I don't believe is at that point yet where it doesn't glitch up text in videos. I guess they're like one thing at a time. Because y'all know when it first came out, it was glitching, adding fingers and legs and all that kind of stuff to the images. And they kind of pretty much fixed that pretty well. But now it's the words, the text and videos that it needs to perfect. But yeah, so that's how you make a storyboard. Um Use chat or, like I say, any GPT of your choice when it comes to coming up with the content description for your videos stuff. Remember, you want to be strategic. You want to use hooks, text hooks to get people to stay on your content, get people to click on your content. And remember that first 3 seconds of any video that you post needs to be hooking people in, because people scroll too fast in today's world. And like I said, that text on screen hook on your cover before they even click on a video needs to draw that curiosity to make them want to click and see what the video is about, see what you're talking about. So I hope this video helped y'all. Like I said, storyboard prompts are the way to go. And you can use that same prompt to do anything. I'm about to, instead of doing the basic try on haul closet type video, I'm about to do like a runway, not runway, but someone's doing, it kind of gonna look like one of those luxury fashion commercials. How they like modeling on the streets and doing all those frame switches real fast or whatever. Y'all will see when I make the video. But yeah, so let's see what y'all create. If you have any questions, need any help, I'm here to assist.